Mamma mia, I love it. Hello, welcome back to my home. Mamma mia ragazzi, winter just suddenly arrived. It's really cold outside. So what's better than a hot, homemade, authentic milk tea? Super easy and super delicious. I love milk tea, guys. So look at the ingredients, super easy. 5 bags of English breakfast tea or 10 grams of English breakfast tea, 500 grams of fresh milk of course, and 30 grams of sugar. Alright guys, first thing first, put 500 grams of milk inside of this pan and we boil at medium fire until we don't see all bubbles at the edge of the milk. In the meantime, we prepare our tea. Here you are guys, our milk is ready and we add our tea. Now we stir for 2 minutes. After we stir for 2 minutes, it's time to add our sugar. Remember guys, 30 grams of sugar, no more. I don't like it too sweet. 1 minute, medium-high fire, and our milk is gonna be ready. Let's get it. Use a small pass. Here we are. Mamma mia, so easy. Now let's try. Mamma mia, I can't stop to eat this amazing milk tea. It's just perfect. Perfect balance of sweetness, perfect consistency, strong flavor of this tea and blended with the milk. Amazing guys. For such a cold winter, this is one of the best hot drink you can have. Homemade, easy, no additive, no chemicals, just simple and authentic. Thank you very much for following your chef Paolo. And of course here, next recipe, Michael, Bye bye!